dream.
Is it your dream or is it our nightmare? What's up, guys?
What's good, guys?
We got something a little bit different today. We're getting ready to travel for the holidays. Since we're gonna be away, we did an early Christmas. Our big family gift to ourselves was this. Biggest Lego set ever in terms of pieces.
6,020 pieces.
It's huge. I'm a little bit worried about building it. Do you want to try to lift it up? Oh, that's pretty good. Do you want to say what you said to me the other day you wanted to do?
A what's inside video.
Yeah, we're big fans of what's inside. I thought maybe we could do a bit of an homage to them. Open it up and see what's inside it. Got some cameras set up so that you all can sort of see as well. Another camera there, another camera there. Shall we do it?
Yep.
Do you want to do the honors? Do you want a tool or do you want to try to do it with your fingers?
Fingers.
Cool. I think they're like extra small Lego characters.
Yeah. Ta-da! 36 bags! Or even more.
The first bag that we see has a 36 on it. That means there's at least 36 bags.
Oh my gosh! Oh, there's even 37!
37.
Oh, rubbish, but it's gonna be full. It's my dream.
Oh my gosh, wait, Torin, that's not it at all.
There's more! Look. Oh.
Alright, what is this box in here?
What is it? Is it more Legos and stuff? What is
That's it. So there you go. The box is now officially empty. Empty box, empty box. Alright, so what's in this box?
Oh, more Lego! Oh,
This is insane.
it's insane. It's my dream.
Is it your dream or is it our nightmare to build this?
Lego.
Now here's the part that's gonna be pretty ridiculous.
There's 4 books.
Oh,
Oh,
gee,
oh.
stickers. So the instruction manuals, there's 4 super thick magazine types, and each one, so 174 pages, 106 pages, 194 pages, and 150. Well over 600 pages spent. So here's what I think would be fun to do to kind of finish this off. Let's lay all these out flat here so we can see all the bags. You wanna do that?
Oh, 6,020 bricks. Are we gonna do them in order?
Want to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, there's 37 in total bags. Woo.
There it is. Are you ready for this?
Not really.
Well, maybe we'll make another video of us putting this together over, I'm guessing, most of the year next year.
We should build it on my birthday.
On your birthday?
Birthday.
All right, one last thing before we go. Woo!
Ow, ow, ow. That one was actually hard.
1, 2, 3. Go! Oh, you got it.
I love heart.
I love heart. Let's do 3. Ooh! Oh, look! Wooden die. Everyone have happy holidays. Have a great new year.
Oh, bye. See you next time. So it would take like months.
It is going to take a long time. Probably won't even start this year.
What do you call a fake noodle? And
Impasta. That's funny. Why didn't anyone bid for Rudolph and Blitzen? Because they were too dear.